With the cryptocurrency market in full volatility, we're seeing a lot of swings to the upside and a lot of swings, unfortunately, to the downside. Shiba Inu Coin is also being affected by that. You've got Shiba Inu Coin currently sitting at about 1,330 points per coin, down about 3% on the day today. After a pretty strong sell-off so far this morning, taking it down to 1,300 points per coin, bouncing back up a couple percent now, which is a very good sign. Ethereum is down on the day so far. Bitcoin is down on the day so far. Dogecoin is down. You guys get it. But they were all up this morning, which means that we're having a very volatile day. Now, Shiba Inu Coin is not the only matter of concern there. It is the overall cryptocurrency market that's experiencing that volatility. But we're going to be talking about some fantastic price expectations as a top analyst predicts Shiba Inu Coin will 72x surge to 0.1 cents. Now, I disagree with this price prediction here. I don't think that we're going to see simply FOMO driving Shiba Inu Coin to those levels, but we're going to talk about it anyway. Something that can 72x, because it's going to have a fantastically low market cap, is Pepe Unchained. So let's discuss it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you guys find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description or the pinned comment. You're going to pull up this website right here, and we're going to go over more about Pepe Unchained in a second. But let's talk about this 72x price increase that we've got an analyst from Benzinga expecting. Now, I'm not going to go through Shiba Inu Coin's current price action, but they say that it is entering a prime buying range because, of course, it's low compared to where it's been over the last couple of months, and the RSI bullish divergence is happening. So, FOMO to drive Shiba Inu Coin to 1/10 of a cent. Let's first set the stage. 1/10 of a cent on Shiba Inu Coin is a $500 billion valuation. That is more expensive. You know what? Actually, is that more expensive than Ethereum at the current level? Where's Ethereum at? Yeah, dude, Ethereum is currently only at a $287 billion market cap. So you're talking half the value of Bitcoin, and you are talking almost twice the value of Ethereum if it reaches 1/10 of a cent. FOMO alone is not going to drive SHIB to 1/10 of a cent. Guys, it has taken decades for Bitcoin, and it has taken not decades isn't plural, but more than a decade for Bitcoin to reach this level, and it's taken roughly a decade for Ethereum to reach this level that it's at right now. And it's still, I mean, imagine the FOMO in Ethereum when Ethereum has gone from a couple cents to a couple $1,000s. Same deal with Bitcoin, right? It's not just going to be FOMO that drives Shiba Inu Coin to the 1/10 of a cent level. You need burns. If you ever expect to reach these levels, a $500 billion market cap is not going to be feasible with the current amount of cryptocurrency investors. If everybody in the world got involved, might have a different story out there. But with the current level of investors, $500 billion is not going to be achievable. Something that could 72x is Pepe Unchained. Pepe Unchained is a brand new layer 2 blockchain that is focused on memes. Now, when FOMO happens, and it will, okay, there's a lot of retail investors out there who are going to miss out because they're waiting. They're waiting for the rally. They're going to see Bitcoin sitting at $120,000 a coin. They're going to see Ethereum sitting near $10,000 a coin. Solana might be trading around $1,000 per coin. They're going to see all of these gains being made, and then the fear of missing out is going to creep in. Retail is going to jump in at that point, but they're not going to buy Bitcoin. They're not going to buy Ethereum. They're not going to buy Solana. They're going to say, what can I make my fortune in? Meme coins. They understand that meme coins are very risky. Actually, I don't know if these new retail investors are going to understand that, but you understand that meme coins are very risky, but they can provide the largest amount of gains. They can 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x overnight without a ton of money flowing into them. And Pepe Unchained is set to take advantage of that because it is building a layer 2 blockchain specifically for meme coins. Now, if you guys are interested, all you got to do is click Connect Wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect, scan this QR code. You guys can do it however you wish, and then simply determine how much you want to buy. One Ethereum is going to get you 261,709 Pepe Unchained. You can, of course, move that number to whatever you want. You can buy it with BNB or USDT on either network. The staking rewards right now are 256%, on an annualized basis, but that reward rate is dynamic, which means that if you guys decide to wait and more people stake, the number is going to go down. Or the number is going to go down anyway as long as more people stake. If less people stake, that number is going to go back up. It moves with the amount of people that you have to split those rewards with. Now, where do those rewards come from? Let's look at the tokenomics. You might be saying, dude, how can they afford 256%? Well, because 30% of the entire supply is dedicated to the staking rewards. Only 20% of the supply is dedicated to the pre-sale. So you actually have more rewards set aside for staking than you do the entire pre-sale. And not everybody who buys in is going to decide to stake. So therefore, you can 2, 3, 4. I mean, think about it. If everybody who bought on the pre-sale goes out there and decides to stake, what's going to happen? 20%, you're going to be able to 1.5x your money because, of course, you can make an additional 30%. So, but not everybody that buys at the pre-sale is going to stake. Therefore, you can have the 2, 3x increase in rewards and the 256, 300% staking rewards because of that difference there. Now, the rest of the breakdown, 20% goes to marketing, 10% to liquidity, 10% to project finance, and 10% to on-chain inventory. Guys, this pre-sale right now, there are very, very few pre-sales out there that are able to accomplish what Pepe Unchained is doing right now. Pepe Unchained has sold $7.6 million worth at a time when the rest of the cryptocurrency market is showing crazy fear. Yesterday was a level of 17 extreme fear. Things are ticking back up as we bounced off $49,000 Bitcoin, and we're currently showing a level of 29 fear. The coin market cap, fear to greed index is at a level of 43. It is bouncing off the 30 fearful situation that we had, and we're back into neutrality. But nonetheless, retail investors have not returned yet. We are still watching this line sit down here at a level of 5. Indicating that retail interest in cryptocurrency is nowhere to be found. When they do decide to return, and when retail investors jump back in and they decide to go into meme coins, because that's where they believe they're going to make the most of their money, Pepe Unchained positioning themselves as a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes, is going to drive a ton of attention. Pepe was the largest meme performer in 2023. Pepe continues to do volume above Shiba Inu Coin. If Pepe Unchained can just take advantage of a slight amount of the interest that Pepe got, you could see Pepe Unchained soaring beyond people's expectations. Now, there are some very high price predictions and very high price expectations for Pepe. Pepe Unchained, We're going to go over them in a different video, but just know that they're sitting on very, very quick 5, 10x gains, and then well beyond that in the coming years. Now, I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are interested, if you're buying into Pepe Unchained, and of course, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.